The world is full of fascinating facts and mysteries that often go unnoticed. From the depths of the oceans to the vastness of space, there's always something new to learn that can leave us amazed. In this video article, we bring you 10 random yet mind-blowing facts that are guaranteed to pique your curiosity and expand your knowledge. So, get ready to be surprised by these incredible truths about our planet and beyond. The octopus is a marvel of marine biology, and one of its most fascinating features is its three-heart circulatory system. Two of these hearts, known as branchial hearts, are located near its gills. They pump deoxygenated blood to the gills, where it absorbs oxygen from the surrounding water. The third heart, called the systemic heart, takes this oxygen-rich blood and distributes it to the rest of the body. However, when an octopus swims, the systemic heart temporarily stops beating. This unique adaptation explains why octopuses often prefer crawling along the ocean floor rather than swimming, as swimming can quickly tire them out. Adding to its uniqueness, an octopus's blood is blue due to the presence of hemocyanin, a copper-based molecule. Hemocyanin is more efficient than hemoglobin, found in human blood, at transporting oxygen in the cold and low-oxygen environments of the deep sea. This allows octopuses to thrive in extreme underwater conditions where most creatures would struggle. Their three hearts and blue blood not only underline their evolutionary brilliance, but also make octopuses one of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth. Beyond their circulatory system, their intelligence, problem-solving abilities, and ability to camouflage make them a symbol of oceanic mystery and wonder. These traits continue to fascinate scientists and ocean enthusiasts alike. The classification of fruits can often defy common sense, and bananas and strawberries are perfect examples. Botanically speaking, bananas are true berries because they develop from a single flower with one ovary and have seeds embedded within their flesh. Even though banana seeds are tiny and non-functional in the cultivated varieties we eat, their structure meets all the criteria of a berry. On the other hand, strawberries, despite their name and appearance, are not berries. They are classified as aggregate fruits because they develop from a single flower with multiple ovaries. Each small seed-like dot on a strawberry surface is actually an individual fruit, with the juicy red part being an enlarged receptacle. This distinction highlights the complex and fascinating nature of plant biology, often challenging the way we think about everyday fruits. Interestingly, this classification system applies to other fruits too. For example, cucumbers, kiwis, and even eggplants are true berries, while raspberries and blackberries, like strawberries, are not. The more we learn about the plant kingdom, the more it surprises us with its intricate structures and diverse evolutionary paths. Next time you enjoy a smoothie or a fruit salad, you can marvel at the unexpected botanical truths hidden in your favorite fruits. The Sahara Desert was once lush and green. The Sahara Desert, known today as the largest hot desert on Earth, was not always a barren landscape of endless sand dunes. Around 6,000 to 7,000 years ago, during what scientists called the African humid period, the Sahara was a thriving region filled with lush vegetation, flowing rivers, and abundant wildlife. This transformation occurred due to shifts in the Earth's orbit, which altered monsoon patterns and brought significant rainfall to the region. Fossil evidence of fish, crocodiles, and hippos, along with ancient rock art depicting elephants, giraffes, and human activities like fishing and farming, reveal how different the Sahara once was. However, as the monsoon patterns shifted again, the rains disappeared, and the Sahara began transforming into the arid desert we know today. This remarkable change in climate reminds us of Earth's dynamic nature and how human civilizations have adapted to such drastic environmental transformations over thousands of years. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks, the apex predators of the ocean, have a lineage that stretches back over 400 million years, making them older than trees, which evolved about 350 million years ago. Early sharks were much different from the sleek hunters we see today, but their basic design was already highly effective for survival. Over the millennia, they have evolved into various species, ranging from the massive megalodon to today's great white shark. Despite surviving 5 mass extinctions, sharks remain vital to maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Their ancient existence serves as a living timeline of Earth's history, outlasting even some of the most dominant creatures of the prehistoric era. The resilience and adaptability of sharks remind us of nature's ability to create designs that can endure the test of time. There's a lake beneath Antarctica. Beneath Antarctica's thick ice sheet lies Lake Vostok, one of the largest subglacial lakes in the world. Hidden under 4 kilometers of ice, this lake has been sealed off from the surface for millions of years, creating an environment untouched by modern ecosystems. Despite the extreme cold, the lake remains liquid due to geothermal heat and the immense pressure of the ice above. Scientists believe it may harbor ancient microorganisms that have adapted to these harsh conditions, offering insights into how life can exist in extreme environments. Studying Lake Vostok could also help scientists understand the potential for life on icy moons like Europa, which have similar subglacial oceans. This hidden lake is not just a marvel of our planet, but also a window into the possibilities of life beyond Earth. The wombat, a nocturnal marsupial from Australia, has a truly peculiar trait. It produces cube-shaped poop. This unusual characteristic serves a practical purpose. It helps the poop stay in place, preventing it from rolling away as wombats use it to mark their territory. The unique shape is due to the varying elasticity in the walls of the wombat's intestines, which compress the feces into cubes during the digestion process. This discovery has intrigued scientists who believe it could inspire new engineering solutions, particularly in manufacturing. Wombat poop may seem like an odd topic, but it demonstrates how evolution can adapt even the smallest details of an animal's biology for survival in its environment. The moon is moving away from Earth. The moon, Earth's only natural satellite, is slowly drifting away from our planet at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. This gradual movement is caused by tidal interactions between the Earth and the moon. As the moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, it creates tidal bulges, and the energy transfer from these tides pushes the moon farther away. Over billions of years, this has had a profound impact on Earth, including lengthening the duration of a day. When the moon formed about 4.5 billion years ago, it was much closer, and Earth's days were only 18 hours long. This ongoing drift raises questions about how Earth's tides, rotation, and climate might be affected in the distant future, making the Earth-Moon relationship a fascinating subject for scientific exploration. The Eiffel Tower grows in summer. The Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of France, undergoes a subtle but fascinating transformation during the summer. Due to thermal expansion, the iron structure absorbs heat, causing it to expand and grow taller by up to 15 centimeters. Conversely, in winter, it contracts as temperatures drop. This phenomenon highlights how materials react to temperature changes on a molecular level, even in massive structures. Engineers took this into account when designing the tower, ensuring its stability despite these seasonal fluctuations. The Eiffel Tower's ability to grow and shrink with the weather is a small but remarkable example of the science behind everyday structures, making it an engineering marvel as well as a cultural landmark. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, defies logic with its unusual rotation. A single day on Venus, which is the time it takes to complete one rotation on its axis, lasts 243 Earth days, while its year, one orbit around the Sun, takes only 225 Earth days. Adding to this peculiarity is its retrograde rotation, meaning Venus spins in the opposite direction of most planets, causing the Sun to rise in the west and set in the east. These strange characteristics make Venus a fascinating subject for astronomers, offering clues about the chaotic forces that shaped our solar system. Understanding Venus's slow and backward rotation can also shed light on the evolution of planetary systems and the factors that influence their dynamics. Water can boil and freeze simultaneously. Under specific conditions, water can exist as a solid, liquid, and gas at the same time, a phenomenon known as the triple point. This occurs at a precise combination of temperature, 0.01 degrees Celsius, and pressure, 611.657 pascals, where all three states are in equilibrium. This unique property of water is not just a scientific curiosity. It has practical applications in fields like thermodynamics and physics. For example, the triple point is used to define temperature scales and calibrate instruments. It also demonstrates the extraordinary versatility of water, a substance vital to life on Earth. The triple point is a reminder of the hidden complexities of even the most familiar materials in our daily lives. And there you have it, 10 incredible facts that showcase the wonders of the world and the universe.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. See you in the next one.